Hi children, welcome to our class. Class 6 Subject Science, Chapter 4 What do animals eat? Today we are going to learn the subtopic is food chain. There is a great balance in nature established among different plants and animals regarding their food habits. What will happen if all animals are plants? You can imagine. To maintain a balance in nature, animals follows their food habits. In a pond, we can see that eggs and larvae are eaten by fish and frogs. Fish and frogs are food for a crane. Think who can eat the crane? Activity 10. Food chains. What is food chain? The transfer of energy from one organism to another in a sequence order is called a food chain. A food chain is a series of steps that shows how each living things gets its food. Food chains move in one direction where a producer will be eaten by primary consumer, a primary consumer is eaten by secondary consumers, and so on. There are various food chains in nature. Food chain also exists in water. Such a food chain is called aquatic food chain. Food chains cannot always be represented by a straight line. For example, the grass is eaten by a grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by bluebird. Bluebird is eaten by snake. The snake is eaten by owl. The owl is decomposed by decomposers. What are decomposers? Decomposers break down the dead plants and animals into useful products which help the plants to grow well. Few examples are microorganisms like bacteria and fungi are the examples of decomposers. They can be branched with several food chains connected to each other in the form of a web. Food chain, just one path of energy. The transfer of energy flows from one organism to another. This is the food web. It is connected. Everything is connected each other in the form of a web. Look at the following. Draw connections to show which animal is eaten by whom. It will surprise you. Grass is eaten by deer. Deer is eaten by lion. This is the one of the example of food web. Food chains form a web where one animal depends upon more than one source and type of food. We use pesticides and insecticides to protect crops, but every year a large number of frogs die by eating poisoned insects. Animal colonies and food. There are many animals that live in colonies, from huge elephants to tiny ants. The wonder world of ants. Ants do a lot of things. Their colony has a large ant forces to do work. There are mainly workers, soldiers, female and male ants. The workers collect and maintain food stock for others in the colony along with several other duties. Just as we keep cows for milk, some species of ants keep a type of insect called aphids for honeydew. Like us, ants are good farmers as well. They cut leaves into pieces and create a bed to grow a type of fungus which they eat. What can we learn from ants? Ants are hard workers. They can work in group. They living together. Birds are vertebrate animals. They all have a backbone. Birds have wings and they can fly. They have hollow bones to save weight. Some of the birds can't fly like penguins, ostrich, emu and ray. A rat can last longer without water than a camel can. Thank you, my dear children.